The moment you become successful, you become a target, not just for taxes, for lawsuits, for creditors, for governments. The rich know this. If you are looking for the skills that will help you to keep what you earn, stay, because I will explain the 5 skills that you need to structure your business like the rich. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jerz. I've spent more than 20 years in the offshore and international relocation space, helping people find greater freedom and build lives on their own terms. I own multiple law firms across different jurisdictions around the world, but just like you, I once had a dream: to live life on my own terms and enjoy the freedom to decide where I live, how I work, and what I do with what I earn. Let's jump into this because everyone online talks about making money. Very few people talk about keeping it. If you're an online entrepreneur, run an e-commerce business, sell on Amazon, own a Shopify store, create content, or work as a high-income contractor, you've probably realized something. Generating money is difficult. Protecting it is even harder. And no matter the amount of books you read, coaches you pay, all of them end up telling you the same story and not the actual solution, making you go bad to the system. You need to build a structure that you can survive inside and outside of the system. The moment your business starts producing serious profits, new questions appear. So the 5 common questions and skills you need to start building start with these questions. 1. Should you keep your company where you live? 2. Should you own everything personally? 3. What happens if someone sues your business? 4. How do wealthy entrepreneurs legally protect what they've spent years building? 5. How can I keep building and keeping what I am earning? Let me show you one of our client cases. This client had already crossed an important milestone. His business was generating well over $500,000 a year, and his net worth was approaching 7 figures. At that point, moving countries isn't enough. Your structure has to evolve with your success. So we compared everything. Panama offered a mature international banking system, a strong business ecosystem, and one of the most underrated asset protection tools in the world, the Panama Private Foundation. For entrepreneurs with more than $1 million in assets or over $500,000 in annual profits, a properly structured Panama Foundation can provide legal asset protection at a fraction of the cost of offshore trusts in places like the Cook Islands or Nevis, often costing 3 to 4 times less to establish and maintain. But we didn't stop there. We discussed Paraguay. For someone looking for a lower-cost lifestyle and a straightforward residency pathway, Paraguay can be an excellent option. However, many people believe they can simply obtain residency and automatically become citizens. That's not how it works. Naturalization requires genuine integration into the country over time. Then we looked at Europe. With increasing OECD reporting standards and growing tax transparency across the EU, international entrepreneurs need structures that are compliant while remaining flexible. For some clients, jurisdictions like Malta may also deserve consideration because of their residency framework and tax treatment, depending on their individual circumstances. We even talked about second citizenships. A few years ago, many citizenship by investment programs were dramatically cheaper. Today, many of those same programs cost $250,000 to $300,000 or more. Waiting has become expensive. At the end of our meeting, my client realized something. He didn't need the best country. He needed the right combination of countries. That's how wealthy families think. One jurisdiction for business, another for asset protection, another for residency, sometimes another for banking. The goal isn't to chase zero taxes. The goal is to build a legal structure that's resilient, flexible, and prepared for whatever changes come next. Because once your wealth reaches a certain level, the conversation changes. It's no longer about making more money. It's about making sure you don't lose what you've already built. Send us your situation via email, Instagram, YouTube, whatever platforms works for you, and we will check in detail. Remember, Plan B is dead. Structure is the future.